Alright, so on this video, I'm just going to show you how to see your list. So I already have it open, but let me just show you where you would go. Don't worry about this. So right here is the program. You click on that, and on yours, this is mine. Mine has more folders because I'm testing. This is my testing version of the program. But you will click on lists, right? So you click on lists, and then you have the users. Let me go back to the one that I already had open. So you might have multiple users if you're a telemarketer or if you share a computer with somebody else. For most of you, you will just have yourself, and that's it. But anyway, I clicked on one of the users. Here I have 4 folders. The first folder, first of all, that's just previously enrolled. So if you check that box on the program that said you wanted to save previously enrolled, you will find those lists here. They're separate so that you don't get confused. Because if they're previously enrolled, that means they're not eligible for the Energy Savings Assistance Program, and so you do not want them to be together, right? So other than that, these 3 here have the exact same list. They're just in different forms. This one is a text document, which looks like this. This is the original list. This is the way it always used to look. It tells you the name of the street, the zip code, the number of titles, the date it was ran. This has the lead number, and the sub number. This second number just means, for example, if you have a 5-unit home and you were able to get all 5 saved under your name, it would say 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. It tells you here that these are renters, these are owners. This is the name of the. This is the name on the gas account. This is the PRISM code, the gas account number. This is the address, the home address. The date the lead was ran. This is the phone number, the name on the title, and the number of units. This is also the address on the title, and this is just a space for you to put some notes if you want. This again, same thing over here. This one hadn't finished completely yet. There was still a second unit, but I stopped it. That's why it doesn't have the part about the number of units and all that. Also the text will change depending on whether you have your language in English or Spanish. If you have it in English, obviously this will say renters. This will say the name of the street. It'll all be in English. So I don't want to save that. So I showed you that. Then I want to show you the tables. The tables are the exact same thing, but the information is presented in a different way. So here's the name, the number. This is the name on the title. This is the address. This is if they're owners or not. The name. This is the name on the heat page. Gas account number, phone number, override, all that. As you can see, some of these aren't lined up properly just yet. This is very new. This is something that I'm barely implementing. So just keep in mind that it'll change a bit in a month. But that's another way to look at the information. Some people prefer that method. And then lastly, the spreadsheets. I actually took the one that was here off, but it's the same thing as these tables. It's just that that's a spreadsheet. So if you use Excel or you use Google Drive, you might prefer that. Okay, so it saves them all there. Again, previously enrolled, same thing. It's just that those are the previously enrolled ones. All right. Also, of course, another way to view your leads is just to go to the heat system, right? And you can see them there. Okay.